Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, bro?
Yeah, I'm well. Thanks for asking. And how are you?
I'm also pretty good by the grace of Almighty Allah. And after a
Okay.
long time, I have seen you here. So how's doing
Okay.
everything?
Okay, that's nice. So, could you please tell me, could you please give me your introduction? Where are you from? And this is the thing.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Jalal Choudhury. You can call me Jalal. I'm from Bangladesh
Okay.
and I'm a job holder as well as businessman. Actually, I'm from Bangladesh, but I stay in Qatar for work purpose.
Mm-hmm.
So I work in government office
Okay.
and as well as I'm trying to improve my English for that I can get a promotion. That's it.
Okay, that's really interesting. And you have said that you are from Qatar. I mean, you are right now you are living in Qatar. So how long have you been living in Qatar?
Yeah, exactly. I have been living in Qatar for 9 years.
For 9 years. So what's the
Yeah.
reason to live in Qatar right now?
Actually, as I told you, I'm a job holder. I work in government office. So
Hmm.
yes, it's really great job. And beside, I have a business. So that's why I stay in Qatar, and I love to stay in here because it's really wonderful country.
Wow, that's really interesting to know. So, what do you think about Qatar? I mean, what's the, situation and what's the benefits are you getting in Qatar?
Wow, it's really wonderful country, and it's a small country, but but it's really wonderful and beautiful
Mm-hmm.
places. I have visited so many places here, and I maybe every historical place I have visited here. So
Okay.
every places is really wonderful, and they are very small, but it doesn't matter. But it's really peaceful country and quite beautiful.
Okay, that's really interesting to know. And I have heard from people, from different kind of people, because I have a lot of foreigner friends. So they say like Qatar is really a safe country for human being. So what do you think about that?
Exactly. Yes, exactly. Qatar is very safe country. If you compare the other country, the last 5 months ago, here is a World Cup. Heading is here. So
Mm-hmm.
the World Cup, there are so many in the world. Several country people come here and they are stay here, and they also told us. They also gave some interview and
Mm-hmm.
some physically and practically. They also make a video. Several video I have seen them. They also
Okay.
told us Qatar is very safe country and it's
Wow.
really peaceful.
Wow, that's really interesting. Let me give you my introduction. That is, my full name is Jihadul Islam. And if you want, you can call me Jihadul. And I'm exactly from Cox's Bazar, which is really a beautiful city and also beautiful place because Cox's Bazar is really famous for tourism. And you know that Cox's Bazar is really famous for world longest sea beach, which we have in our city, in my district. So, and I also have seen a lot of people, they just come to visit my city and even from different kind of countries like England.
Wow,
So
that's great.
what do you think
Ac-
about Coxweller?
Actually, I hear about that from my childhood, and still now I had never been there in Coxbazar.
Hmm.
But I had a plan this year when I go to Bangladesh. Definitely, I will come to Coxbazar and I will come to your house. If it is, actually Allah is the best planner. It is my
Hmm.
plan. If it is, if it is I had a plan, and if Allah is wants, I can go there, inshallah.
Okay, so if I ask you, what's your favorite food?
Wow, there are several favorite food I liked. Among
Hmm.
them, my favorite is mutton biryani, beef biryani,
Hmm.
and if I talk about the vegetable, so lady's finger is my favorite.
Wow, that's really interesting. And I also have a lot of ladies' fingers at our vegetable shop. As you know, that we have a vegetable shop where I have been working for the last 10 years. So that I'm really used to with this vegetable. Okay, so and also if I ask you that is, in your free time, you say that you try to read books and different kind of activities you do in your free time. So, what do you think? Like when we get free time, that time we can practice our English and we can learn our English. So, what do you think about this?
Yeah, basically, if you have anyone wants to be learn English, want to be a good speaker, want to be a good writer, they
Mm-hmm.
should spend more time if they are busy, maybe they are busy, maybe they are a job holder, maybe like they are a businessman like you, or some other activities. Don't care if they have a willing power, they can learn English by practicing.
Okay. So, nice to meet you. I wanna say because
Nice to
we are
meet you too.
meeting. Yeah, we are meeting to each other, and we have known a lot of interesting thing. So it's been a long, conversation, and also it has been a great conversation with you. And thank you so much